Oh, wow. Boy, sounds good now.
Put it down, huh?
Thanks, Dad. Got it to work, huh?
Smooth too, but it's a smooth sounding soda. Go look at it. It's not even shaking or nothing. It's gotta be. Where'd you?
I was telling Mom about this when she was in the hospital last time. She asked me what I was doing. I said I'm putting a new engine in my Camaro. I said I bought a junk car and took the engine out of it, and I put it in my Camaro. And she said, "You're just like your dad." That's what she said. That was next to the last time I ever talked to her before she died.
All
All
that paint,
that paint and everything, yeah.
I'm telling you what, that thing sounds smooth.
Everything burning off of it.